All right, and we are in Weebly and we're going to look at how to make a couple links. One link is to link outside of your own website, and one link is to link to a page within your website. So the first thing we're going to do is outside. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to what you want to the link to be. Here we have COVID-19 military support. So what we're going to do in this case is we can copy that since it's already there. Then you click on the create link and we're going to pick website URL, and then you're just going to paste it in right there. And then make sure open in new window is checked because you're going off of your website, so you always want to do that. If you didn't already have this here, you would just go up into your browser, find the page, and then copy the URL from there. So that's it. It's turned purple. You can see that is now a link, and then we click publish to make sure we send it out there online. The other one is going to be within your own site. So right here, live well at home screenings. It doesn't have a link. These ones do. This one doesn't. And that is a separate page, so we're going to highlight it. Again, we're going to go to the link. It's supposed to be like a chain link, and click standard page. And then we're just going to start typing the name of the page and click on the title. And this one we are not going to click open new window since it's still within our site. We want to stay there. And that's all there is to it. We're going to click publish again. Great, and now we're just going to go double check. So you can see it appear here. There it is, our link. And yep, it's working. And the other one is on the services page. We're going to go, yeah, I have to refresh my page. And it is not refreshing, so we will pause. All right, I got my page to refresh, and there it is, and it's working. That's all there is to it.